toy. Let's open this up. So this is a DJI Mini 4 Pro. It's a new drone that I bought for myself for one particular reason. So before I get into that, just want to call out today is December 29th. It's a Friday. And last Friday was actually an anniversary for us, me and my family. This time last year, we placed an offer on a property here in South Jersey, and it was accepted. And that began the journey to us building our family retreat. Something I had on the bucket list for decades now. Yeah, I'm that old. And we finally achieved it. And I bought myself this drone so we could take a tour of the property. So I'm gonna get this set up and we'll pick it up as I walk around with this thing. It would help if I put the joystick things on here. Oh, relax, buddy. Alright, let's go for a walk. Alright, so like I was mentioning, we purchased the property. The offer was accepted this time last year, and the purchase process was not easy. It was not easy at all. We had a great realtor that was able to show some patience and work with the sellers involved to close the deal, and we're very grateful for that. Now, this is about an hour away from where we live, so it's not exactly close to home, and that's the idea. We wanted something that we can escape to and enjoy some family outdoor activities, and I think we have it. Now, this is about 3 acres, 2.7 to be exact. It's not terribly big in the grand scheme of things. And when you think of someone owning land, especially out towards the west and in the south, you're thinking of 10 or more acres or something like that, maybe 5. But for us, 3 acres is more than enough for us to enjoy our family activities, at least the ones we'll create out here. It's gonna take a lot of work to clear all of this up. We're gonna keep all of the trees, as many trees as we can keep, we're gonna keep. We'll clear out all of the fallen trees, all of the trees that don't look healthy, that might fall. We had one fall recently. Where's that one tree? So this tree fell recently, I want to say about 3 weeks ago. And as you can see, it's a pretty long tree. If this falls on you, it's gonna hurt. Actually, it could do a lot of damage. But yeah, we want to get rid of trees like this and clear out all the brush and make this an easy area to walk through. We have a lot of ideas. We want to make a bike path, a walking path, maybe a jogging path. Those could probably all share the same path, right? We want to do a little garden, maybe a couple of them scattered around. We'll do a little swing set area. You know, swings that can support adults too, because you know, a lot of times you buy swings and your kids grow up and you don't know what to do with them anymore. So we want to get swings that, you know, can fit adults, and we could all kind of get on and, you know, read a book and sway in the wind. Get a fire pit, maybe a hot tub, you know, things like that. Let's see if we could get a view of the entire property. Going up. Time to bring this baby home. Come on. Straight down. Alright.
Landing.
I love that auto landing feature. Cool. So I'm super excited about this property. Looking forward to putting in all the work, making all the great memories out here. Because I think we'll enjoy the journey more than actually getting to the end results. To be honest, this is something that we're going to be working on forever pretty much. I mean, I'm going to probably pass this down to my kids. They'll continue working on it, and so on and so on. I've already started working on this property since early this year. Cleared out some paths using a blower, cleaned out a whole bunch of brushes. In the next video, I'll show the tools that I use to work on the property and clear out this land. I also planted some privacy bushes here. You can kind of see that here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I have these two bushes. I'll talk more about those in a bit. It's a little experiment I'm running right now to see how well they grow. And depending on how good they grow, I'm going to probably line up the property line with these kinds of bushes just to give us some privacy from the neighbors back there. I'm also going to show the wildlife that we have on the property. I'm actually surprised by some of the wildlife that's out here, and I will share that in a future video as well. I spend all of my day behind the computer. It's nice to have this and be able to be outdoors, and especially after the last 2-3 years. I think we're going to enjoy this a lot more than we would have if we didn't go through those last 2 or 3 years. So with that said, until next time, peace.